Hey guys, Homie MP here with Super GT and DJ Alex 12 is videoing. Today Super GT is going to be showing you how to make a sock puppet.
Okay, today we'll be making a sock puppet.
That's what it looks like.
And here's what it looks like. Okay, to make it, you need some pipe cleaners, foam squares, and some fabric, and some cotton balls, and some yarn, and some crafting glue, and the googly eyes, and some scissors. And if you want to put jewels on it, you'll need some jewels. Okay, let's start. First you need a paper cut circle, and from the foam squares pick a color and put it in the middle right here and cut it right here.
So what's that for, the mouth you're cutting out?
Yeah, for the mouth.
Okay.
And fold it in half and cut the middle into 2 parts. And you'll need a sock right here, and you will need to put the mouth right here, right here, right here, and you'll need glue.
So how much glue do you put on it?
3 dots.
Okay.
And spread it.
And you can also use these other sock designs. They just have to be long, right? You could use any sock.
And wait for the glue to dry a little bit and press on it. Okay. Put it. Close the mouth like this, and you'll need some googly eyes.
It doesn't matter what size you use because you have some small ones here.
No,
you have bigger ones.
And wherever you want the eyes to put it. Okay, you have the eyes, and if you want to use some cotton balls, take some. And you can put it wherever you like.
What are you doing now?
I'm gluing the cotton ball.
So these are special colorful decorations Are those the eyebrows?
Yeah. And you could use some yarn like this.
What is that, for the hair?
Yeah.
So you can use any color combination you want.
And glue it. Put a little bit glue on it and glue it in the middle. And cut another side.
How long are you making the pieces of yarn?
Like 4 inches.
Or maybe you can do longer pieces if you want longer hair.
What are you doing?
Wait. So we have all the hair on already. How much ever hair you want to put?
Okay, now take any color jewel and take more of the glue.
Will the same fabric glue work for the decorations? Like, okay.
Stop.
Okay, you have the jewel. This will be his nose right here.
So you use the same kind of glue to put on the decorations after putting on how much ever hair you want.
And flip it over and take the fabric and cut designs
What kind of designs?
like zigzag lines.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just cut lines. Okay, after you cut out the pieces of fabric, glue it onto the back. And you cut it shorter, right here, and put it, it could be how long you want. And if you have more, you could put more.
You can use different materials. This is felt. You can use different colors. Yo, what was that? Okay, keep going. Okay.
You could put how much lines you want, and you have the pipe cleaners. Take any color that you want, and we're gonna do the pipe cleaner. You're gonna flip it back over, and if you wanna put a beard, you could cut a beard like that. cut how many pieces you want. And you keep cutting how much you want, and take some of the glue, and okay, you take a piece and spread some glue on it.
So you're making a beard. I guess you could also make a mustache if you want.
Will it have teeth too?
No.
But I guess you can make teeth with white pieces of fabric.
Wonder if you're out of glue.
So just waiting for it to dry a little. Okay, it seems like we're out of fabric glue, but you could just maybe use a little drop. Oh, there we go. It has some more.
Okay. And we are finished.
Okay. So show us what it looks like on your hand. We have two of them. Remember, it's still a little wet, so you want to be careful. I mean the glue. Oh.
Okay, looks like this.
Basically, that's what it looks like. And you have another one. It's not all the way on his hand, but you get the idea. Let me see.
DJ Alex 12.
Okay. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Stay tuned for our next craft video. Might be an origami video. I don't know what Super GT has planned. This is
Alex 12.
and
Super GT.
signing off.